Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this quick standing yoga stretch you can do anytime, anywhere you feel like you need to move your body, release any tension or stiffness. Start by standing up tall with your hands on your hips, feet are hip width apart. Warming up our feet first. Lift your right heel up so you're standing on the ball of your right foot and lower it down. 3 more times. Lift your right heel up, lower down. 3, lift up, lower. 4, lift your right heel and lower. The other side. Lift your left heel up and lower. That's 1. Lift. That's 2 and lower. 3, lift up and lower. And the last one. And lower. Now lift both heels up so you're on your tippy toes 4 times. Focus on one point in front of you. And lower your heels down. Lift both heels up. And don't worry if you lose balance because it happens to me right here too. Then lower down. Lift. Hug everything towards your midline. Keep breathing. Lower your heels down. Last one, lift. Now hold it. Stay on your tippy toes. Good job. Keep breathing. And lower down. Well done. Now bend your knees. And straighten out your right leg in front of you. Place your right heel on the ground. Flex your right foot. Make sure that your hip bones are even. Inhale to lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, slowly begin to fold forward. Now remember to keep your hips even. Stretch out your right hamstring and calf. Final breath. And slowly come back up. Switch sides. Bend both knees. Straighten out your left leg in front of you. Place your left heel on the ground. Flex your left foot. Inhale to elongate your spine. Exhale, folding forward from your hip creases just a little bit until you feel that stretch. Then breathe. Take your final breath. And slowly come back up. We're going to do 4 hip circles, counterclockwise. Start bringing your hips towards your right, forward, left, and back. Keep going. Drawing a few circles, keep your breath flowing. Also soften your knees and allow your body to move along with it. There's no right or wrong way to do this, just to open up your hips. This is really nice if you've been sitting a lot. And then slowly reverse direction, so go clockwise or the other direction if you did clockwise before. Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your facial muscles relaxed. Very good. Slowly come back to center, to your standing up tall position. Now breathe in, reach your arms up and grab hold of your opposite elbows for a few sundials. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, dive towards your right side body stretch, then keep going. Begin to round your spine to a gentle forward fold. And then as you inhale, come towards your left side body stretch. And then stand up tall. One more time. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, dive towards your right side. And keep going, like you're drawing a big circle. As you breathe in, come back up towards your left side. And straight up, back to center. Now the other side. Inhale to lengthen up. Exhale, dive towards your left side. Keep going down, rounding your spine, relax your neck. As you breathe in, come towards your right side. From there, slowly back up Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, side body stretch to your left. Then round your spine, forward fold, soften your knees. As you inhale, come towards your right side and slowly back to center. Nicely done. Then release your elbows and take cactus arms. As you breathe in, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Elbows are in line with your shoulders. Open your heart. Take a deep breath. And then slowly release your arms down. Inhale, circle your arms up. Soften your knees. Exhale, fold forward. You don't need to come down all the way, just come down halfway. Place your hands on your thighs. Now bend your left knee. Straighten out your right leg. Place your left forearm on your left thigh. Inhale, reach your right arm up, twisting your chest to your right side. Hold and breathe. Inhale to reach up even more. Exhale, release, switching sides. Bend your right knee and straighten out your left leg. Right forearm is on your right thigh. Breathe in to reach your left arm up. Rotate your chest to your left. Breathe out. Hold and keep breathing. And notice where in your body you feel the stretch. Beautiful. Then slowly release. Back to your half lift. Then straighten out your back. You can place your hands on your thighs. Take a deep breath in to lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, fold forward. You can hold on to your legs. And then slowly we're going to roll up. You can place your hands on your hips. And then restack your spine. Come up one vertebra at a time. Take your time. Allow the blood to settle. Go nice and slow. Stand up tall. Beautiful. Then let's finish our practice together. Inhale. Circle your arms up. As you exhale, unite your palms and place your hands in prayer position. Give yourself a big thank you that you took this moment, a few minutes to stretch out your body. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. I'm so proud of you for making it this far and allowing me to be part of your practice. Thank you so much for watching. And because you're here, I have a free gift for you, the Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite part was. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!